Okay, let's do a meal plan for the week because I'm back working, so I need to sort this back out again. Now you can see I have a column here for who's working, well, not everything. I don't have everything written on here, but I worked that day and my husband's home. I worked that day and my husband's home. So I'm gonna put just a green dot on it, because then that means if I am not, so I'm not going to plan, really I'm not going to plan too much on these 2 days at the moment. That could change. So today is Saturday. We're going to start this at the beginning of the week on Sunday. But I already know both my husband and I work this day. Friday my daughter's gone and she's also gone this day as well. And I just feel like doing this. Look out. Here we go. Look at that. Nice and easy. Now we have a lot of chicken. We have some brisket. And we have a pork roast. Ooh, pork roast. See, we have like one of those big shoulder pork roasts. Maybe. But anyway, I don't know. Now it's just gonna be figuring this out. So, I don't have a list in front of me. Normally I have a list of like some ideas. But I don't today. Everybody but my husband works Wednesday. My husband and Katie both work Thursday. So let's do this. On Sunday, I will do one of those pork roasts. So tomorrow, excuse me, or the day you're seeing this, I'm gonna do a pork roast. Let's see, with some frozen veggies, because I gotta get those used up. We're trying to get those used up. With frozen veggies, and let's do, you know what, let's just do boiled potatoes. Sorry guys, I'm on such a weird angle doing this. You have like no idea. It's weird. Okay. So I could make dinner that night. This is a busy day. We've got a lot going on that day. So actually, you know what? I want to change that. I want to change that, whoops, to I'm going to change that to this day. So we've got pork roast. All right, have a good day.
You too.
Love you.
You too.
Frozen veggies with boiled potatoes. I think I spelled that wrong and I don't even care. And then we can do leftovers / sand, which is this day because we're going to be out shopping in the morning. I'm pretty sure you guys can still see what I'm doing here. Sunday, you know what? Let's do a barbecue. Let's do steak. Baked potatoes. Oh, that's just horrible. It's just horrible. I gotta figure out a different angle for you guys for doing this. I'm gonna have to take a picture and show you guys the angle I'm on here. So we've got steak, baked, goodness girl. Baked potatoes. I can read it, I swear. We're going to do a chicken breast for my daughter because she doesn't like steak. We're gonna cook up some mushrooms because I have mushrooms. And we are going to also add in, I don't think I have any peppers, so we can't do that, but we're gonna toss in some more veggies, some more frozen. Actually, no, I have salad in the fridge we gotta use, so we'll have salad. And there'll also be salad with this one. Seriously, my writing is awesome. Okay. So that is, how many days is that? Half. 4 days. Okay, and I'm home Thursday, so let's do a chicken here. What chicken? Chicken legs. Actually, yeah, let's do chicken legs. We'll do barbecued. Chicken drumsticks. See, and we're going and doing groceries this day too, so if I need to, I can always make some alterations to things. I'm just trying to think of things I have in my house right now. Chicken drumsticks. We're gonna do up some what else should I do with the drumsticks? Chicken drumsticks. I'm gonna do a salad on the side because it's summertime. We typically eat a lot of salad anyway. Just trying to think here. What do I want to do with that? Maybe French fries? Fries aren't spelled with a Z. Fries, a barbecue chicken fries, salad. I think that would be good. That might seem like a weird combination, but it's actually kind of a common one around here anymore. Wednesday. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that one because that's a busy day ahead. I gotta work that day. I think I'm just gonna leave that one blank for right now to see if my husband will want to cook that day, because the days that I work, he typically will cook. Okay, so let's see here. Saturday. Katie's gone. Both Nathan and I are home that day. But, again, Katie's still not home. So I'd be cooking for 2 people, essentially. You know what? We're going to do this. We're going to do sloppy joes. Because Katie will not eat them. Sloppy joes, there we go. Okay, I like it. I think I like it, yes. Anything here you guys want to see a video on, make sure to let me know and I can catch it and I will film it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I gotta find a new way to do this because this just is not gonna work in the long run. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.